Yes, sir, folks. Just another beautiful day in paradise. Uh-oh, wabbit. Wabbit. They come out here and eat the greens. There's nothing to eat inside that little patch of dry twigs. I gotta tell you, man, this is a fucking animal of a bike. This is an animal, bro. It'll go. You got the pedal assist. Hey, that's fuel. This is the route I take my car on when I need extra stops. Stop. When you need that extra 12, 15 stops to get your score down. I scored 99 yesterday on my Tesla, driving it. I did accidentally use the brakes one time, and I'm sure my score was way lower than that. But I took this little circuit here, and I stopped my car about 15 times. Stop. You know, I even pulled over a few times. You know what I'm saying? Every stop counts. So you pull over like this, and you park it, stop, and then you go. And then I stopped right here, then I went to the right here, did the long way. You know, compiling, trying to get my 15 stops, get my score down, and it worked. 99 is acceptable. You're not going to, it's an average accumulation over 30 days, gentlemen. But you'll never score 100. I mean, you can get 100 during the day, but at some point, certainly you'll have an infraction during the month, several of them. See, the best score you can do is 99. I think it's working okay now. I don't know for sure. All right. Just giving it the once over, checking it over. You know, maybe that cadence magnet doesn't have to be moved, but certainly if you move it, it's better, you know what I'm saying? Closer to reality, shall we say. Okay, do not hold the throttle. Do not pull it up by the throttle. It's a beast of a bike, gentlemen. Alright guys, I'm going to shut you down. Just wanted to show you the bike with the CST BFTs on it, 29 3s. Good ground clearance. I do have a dent right here in the skid plate on the electric motor. It probably happened during that accident. There were some boulders there that got crammed. Let me see if there's I didn't look. I did clean this yesterday. I didn't see anything as far as smashed teeth on the sprocket here. You know, bent teeth right here from the crash. Don't see any of that. You know, because there was certainly my legs took a hell of an impact on the ground. Some serious bruising on both legs. I would say that I got very lucky in that I didn't get hurt bad, and the bike also did not get damaged as far as I can figure anyways. Okay guys, we're gonna go open up the garage and put this bike away. That's it.